Did you know that 88% of self-made millionaires read at least 30 minutes daily? Today, we'll reveal the daily routines and mindsets that set the wealthy apart, and how you can start using them to change your financial future. The foundation of wealth. It's not just luck, inheritance, or even hard work alone. The real secret is continuous learning, a relentless commitment to expanding your mind and skills every single day. This is the edge that sets millionaires apart from the rest. Wealthy people carve out time every day to read, listen to audiobooks, or attend seminars. They don't do this just to collect trivia or pass the time. Instead, they're on a constant hunt for new ideas, strategies, and insights that help them stay ahead of the curve and spot opportunities before anyone else. This daily habit is a deliberate investment in their future. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He famously spends up to 80% of his day reading. Why? Because he knows that knowledge compounds just like money. Every book, article, or report he reads adds another layer to his understanding, making him sharper and more prepared for whatever comes next. The more you learn, the more you can earn. It's a simple truth, but one that's often overlooked. Each new skill or piece of information you acquire can open doors to new opportunities, higher income, and smarter decisions. This habit of learning isn't just about gathering facts. It's about staying prepared to pivot when the market shifts, avoiding costly mistakes, and being ready to seize new trends before they go mainstream. The wealthy know that the world changes fast, and only those who keep learning can keep up. Today, information is everywhere. Podcasts, YouTube, ebooks, online courses, and more. You don't need to enroll in an expensive university to access world-class knowledge. With just a smartphone or laptop, you can learn from the best minds in any field, anytime, anywhere. Make learning a daily ritual, just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. Set aside a specific time each day, maybe during your commute, over breakfast, or before bed, to read, listen, or watch something that stretches your mind. Even 20 minutes a day can transform your life over time. Those small, consistent efforts add up, creating a powerful compounding effect. In a year, that's over 120 hours of learning, enough to master a new skill, understand a new industry, or completely change your perspective. Focus on topics that directly impact your finances or career. Whether it's investing, entrepreneurship, technology, or personal development, choose subjects that will help you grow and adapt in your chosen field. Wealthy people learn with purpose. They're not just curious, they're strategic. They seek out knowledge to solve real problems, make better decisions, and uncover hidden opportunities that others miss. This approach keeps their minds sharp and adaptable in a fast-changing world. They're always ready to learn something new, challenge their assumptions, and rethink their strategies when needed. Many rich people are college dropouts, but that doesn't mean they stopped learning. In fact, they doubled down on self-education, seeking mentors, reading voraciously, and experimenting until they found what worked. Ask yourself, are you making learning a non-negotiable habit? Are you investing in your mind as much as you invest in your work or your business? Continuous learning is the ultimate competitive edge. In a world where information is power, those who keep learning will always stay ahead. Make it your secret weapon and watch how it transforms your life. Next, let's talk about strategic networking. This isn't just about collecting business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. Strategic networking is about intentionally building relationships that can help you and others grow, both personally and professionally. It's about creating a web of support, knowledge, and opportunity that can last a lifetime. Wealthy people know that who you know can be as important as what you know. They understand that opportunities often come from the people around them, sometimes in the most unexpected ways. By surrounding themselves with a diverse network, they open doors to new ideas, partnerships, and ventures that might never have been possible alone. They build genuine, mutually beneficial relationships, offering value first, knowing opportunities often come from unexpected places. Instead of focusing on what they can get, they focus on what they can give. This mindset creates trust and goodwill, which often leads to opportunities down the road. Whether it's sharing advice, making introductions, or simply being a good listener, giving value is at the heart of effective networking. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow. Seek out those who inspire you, who have skills or experiences you admire, and who push you to think bigger. Growth happens when you're outside your comfort zone, and the right relationships can help you get there. Seek mentors, act on their advice, and learn from their experience. Mentors can help you avoid common pitfalls, accelerate your progress, and see opportunities you might have missed. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you respect. Most successful individuals are happy to share their knowledge with those who are eager to learn. The rich also nurture relationships with peers and newcomers. Today's rookie could be tomorrow's leader. They know that everyone has something valuable to offer, regardless of their current position. By supporting others and helping them grow, they create a network that's loyal, dynamic, and full of potential. Networking isn't just for boardrooms. Start with local meetups or online communities. You don't need to be in a big city or have a fancy title to build a powerful network. Attend workshops, join professional groups, or participate in online forums. The key is to be proactive and open to meeting new people wherever you are. Be intentional. Create real value, not just contacts. Focus on building relationships that are authentic and meaningful. Ask thoughtful questions, listen actively, and look for ways to help others achieve their goals. When you approach networking with sincerity, people remember you and are more likely to support you in return. Successful networking is a long game. Build trust and credibility over time. Relationships don't happen overnight. It takes consistent effort, follow-up, and genuine care to turn a first meeting into a lasting connection. Remember, the strongest networks are built on trust, respect, and shared experiences. The wealthy keep in touch and genuinely care about their network. They check in regularly, celebrate others' successes, and offer support when needed. A simple message or coffee catch-up can go a long way in maintaining strong relationships. So ask yourself, are you actively building valuable connections or just collecting contacts? Start today, reach out, offer value, and watch your network and your opportunities grow. Now, let's talk about one of the most fundamental habits that separates those who build lasting wealth from those who simply get by: disciplined saving and investing. This is the cornerstone of financial success, and it's a principle that holds true no matter your income level or background. Whether you're just starting out or already earning a comfortable living, the way you handle your money today will shape your financial future for years to come. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep, and, more importantly, how much you allow to grow over time. Many people focus on increasing their income, but true wealth is built by consistently setting aside a portion of what you earn and letting it work for you. Even small amounts, saved regularly, can add up to significant sums thanks to the power of time and discipline. Wealthy people have a simple but powerful habit: they pay themselves first. Before spending on anything else, they make sure a portion of every dollar earned goes directly into savings or investments. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a non-negotiable rule they live by, and it's one of the most effective ways to ensure you're always building your financial foundation. They invest consistently, whether it's in the stock market, real estate, or their own businesses. The key is to focus on long-term growth rather than chasing quick wins. By making regular contributions and staying committed through market ups and downs, they harness the power of compounding and allow their wealth to multiply over time. Compounding is often called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. When you reinvest your earnings, your money starts to earn money on itself, turning small, regular investments into real wealth over the years. The earlier you start, the more powerful this effect becomes, making time your greatest ally. The rich understand that willpower alone isn't enough, so they automate their savings. By setting up automatic transfers, they make sure their financial goals are met without having to think about it every month. This removes temptation and ensures consistency, which is crucial for long-term success. But they don't stop there. They make it a priority to educate themselves before making any investment decisions. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or researching online, they seek out knowledge to make informed choices and avoid costly mistakes. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and the more you know, the better your results will be. Diversification is another key principle. Instead of putting all their eggs in one basket, the wealthy spread their investments across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. This strategy helps manage risk and ensures that a setback in one area doesn't derail their entire financial plan. By diversifying, they protect themselves from market downturns and unexpected events, building a safety net that provides both security and peace of mind. This approach allows them to weather financial storms and continue growing their wealth, no matter what the economy is doing. Remember, saving and investing isn't about depriving yourself or living a life of constant sacrifice. It's about creating options, freedom, and opportunities for the future, whether that means traveling the world, supporting your family, or pursuing your passions without financial stress. So, ask yourself, are you making your money work for you, or is it just sitting idle? Start today, make saving and investing a non-negotiable habit, and watch as your financial future transforms, one smart decision at a time. Wealthy people set clear financial goals. They don't just hope to get rich, they create specific, measurable targets and track their progress. This clarity helps them prioritize spending, saving, and investing. Big goals are broken into actionable steps. They regularly review their finances and adjust as needed. Celebrating small wins keeps them motivated. Their goals evolve as they grow, preventing complacency. If you want to think like the wealthy, write down your goals and review them often. Break them into steps and track your progress. This simple habit can transform your financial future. The wealthy never rely on a single source of income. Most self-made millionaires have at least 3 streams: jobs, businesses, investments, or royalties. Multiple incomes provide stability and faster wealth growth. They master one stream before adding another, giving each the attention it needs. Extra income can be reinvested, creating a cycle of growth. If one stream falters, others provide a safety net. Today, it's easier than ever to start a side hustle or invest online. The wealthy seize these opportunities. Are you relying on just one income? What new stream could you start today? Diversify to build resilience. Delayed gratification is a tough but essential wealth habit. The rich resist impulsive spending, focusing on long-term rewards. They budget for luxuries and make sure big purchases fit their financial plan. The satisfaction of reaching a goal beats the thrill of impulse buys. Wealthy people invest for the long term, staying patient through market ups and downs. They avoid lifestyle inflation, keeping expenses in check as income grows. Delayed gratification is a skill. Set boundaries and stick to them. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can invest. Practice patience, and your wealth will grow. Next time you're tempted to splurge, think of your future self. The most important habit? A powerful, growth-oriented mindset. Wealthy people believe they control their financial destiny. They see setbacks as learning opportunities, not failures. This growth mindset fuels persistence and resilience. The rich practice optimism and gratitude, focusing on what they can control. They set high standards and seek out challenges. Visualization helps them stay motivated and confident. They surround themselves with positive, ambitious people. Building wealth is as much about mindset as money. Believe you can change your finances and put in the work. Start cultivating a growth mindset today. We've covered the habits that set the wealthy apart: learning, networking, saving, goal setting, and more. The secret is action. Start small, stay consistent, and let your habits compound. Which habit will you start today? Comment below, subscribe, and join us on the journey to wealth.